All right, let's talk about percentages. There's a basic percent. It goes like this: part divided by whole times 100 will give you the percent. Now you can work this out in different ways. So this one's solved for percent. If we wanted to solve for the whole, I would multiply by the whole, and that would move it up to the top right, and divide by the percent, and I would get the whole equals the part divided by the percent times 100. And if I wanted to solve for the part, then I'd multiply by the percent, and I would get the whole times the percent, and then I divide by 100. So there's three working formulas that you can use to either find the percentage if you're looking for it, the whole number if you're looking for it, or just the part if you're looking for it. So for example, in a bag of M&Ms, there are a total, that would be the whole, of 45 candies. If there are 9 blue candies, that's the part. What percent of the bag are blue M&Ms? So we would use trying to solve for percent. Percent equals the part divided by the whole times 100. That would be the part divided by the whole times 100. And let's see what we get. This will be a percentage when we're done. 9 divided by 45 times 100, 20. This is 20%. All right, excellent. You try it. Pause the video, work the problem out on the right. Rounded to the nearest whole percent, you get 29%. You do have to work out the whole, which is the sum of all the individual parts, and you get 84. That is part of the process. Okay, next up, what is the dollar amount of sales tax on a suit priced at? Okay, so that's the whole. Here we have the percent, and the dollar amount, that's the part that makes up the taxes. So in this problem, we want to work with the other formula, part, and write it as P, that's fine. P equals percent divided by 100 times the whole. The way I had it, very close. Part equals whole times percent divided by 100. Whole times percent divided by 100. Yeah, perfect. So on this problem, the percent is 2. We have the divide by 100, and the whole is 1358. In fact, we can even use the unit dollar sign. And when we calculate this on our calculator, we get 2 divided by 100 times 1358, 27.16, which is an appropriate money, rounding already. That would be the sales, the dollar amount of sales tax. Okay, your turn. Pause the video and work the problem out on the right. You should get $2,030.40.